Solve the triangle having side C equals to 473 units, angle A measure that's 72 degrees and 43 minutes, angle B measures 64 degrees and 23 minutes. Okay, let us begin. First, let's try to understand this with the help of a triangle. We begin by considering our triangle ABC. The sides opposite to angle A, that is BC, is going to be denoted by the letter A in lowercase. Then we're going to consider the angle B. The side opposite to angle B, that's AC, we're going to denote it by the letter B in lowercase. And then the remaining side AB, which is the side opposite to angle C, that will be denoted by C in lowercase. Now in this triangle, the side C that is given to us, so that is 473 units. And then we have the angle measure of A. So angle measure of A, it's given as 72 degrees and 43 minutes. So what we'll do, we'll convert this 43 minutes to degrees. That is going to help us with a calculation. So here we have to remember the fact that for every 60 minutes we have 1 degrees, which means that for every 1 minute it corresponds to 1 over 60 degrees. So since we need here 43 minutes, so 43 minutes will be 43 over 60, and that is going to convert it to degrees. So 43 over 60, so that is going to be equals to 0.72 approximately. So let's take the approximate value here. This is going to be in degrees, so that means angle A can be also expressed as 72.72 degrees. Fine. So this is given to us, so angle A measure, so that's 72.72 degrees. Then we have the angle measure for B. So angle measure for B, that's given as 64 degrees and 23 minutes. So we're going to convert the 23 minutes to degrees, and this is going to be equals to, so 23 minutes. So this is going to be equals to 23 over 60 degrees. So it comes out to be approximately 0.38 degrees. So our angle B measure comes out to be 64.38 degrees. Now that is going to be the angle measure of B, 64.38 degrees. Our goal will be to determine the rest of the values. That means we need to find out the angle measure of C, we need to find out B as well as A. We begin by first computing the angle measure of C. That is a very simple task. Angle measure of C is simply going to be 180 degrees minus the sum of the angle A plus sum of the angle B. So when we have the values of A and B, we can substitute this, and that is going to give us the angle measure of C. So that comes out to be approximately 42.9 degrees. So we have the angle measure of C. And if we want to convert it back to minutes, the 0.9 degrees to minutes, all we have to do is take that 0.9 degrees and multiply it with 60 minutes, and it's going to convert it to minutes. So this is going to be equals to 54 minutes. So this is also equivalent to 42 degrees and 54 minutes. So angle measure of C, that's going to be 42. So let's use the degrees only. So we're 42.9 degrees. Now our next goal will be to find out the side B and side A. For this, we're going to take the help of the law of sines. So here we have the law of sines, which is defined as the ratio of the side A to that of sine of the angle opposite to it, equals to B over sine of the angle opposite to it equals to C over sine of the angle opposite to it. Now in our problem, the side C is given to us, which means we are going to keep the ratio C over sine C as fixed. So that is going to give us two equations. We have A over sine of angle A. We're going to equate it to C over sine of angle C. And we are going to also consider the other equation, B over sine of angle B. So that is going to be equals to C over sine of angle C. So this means that we have A equals to C times sine of angle A divided by sine of angle C. And then B, it's going to be equals to C times sine of angle B divided by sine of angle C. So since we have the angle measure of A, we have angle measure of C as well as the length C, we can plug this into our calculator. So we will be able to find out the value of A. E comes out to be approximately 663.49. And the B measure comes out to be approximately 626.53. So we have successfully obtained the measure of the side A as well as B.